One pumping up his team. They're all set to go. Oh, hang on. You're going to watch out for the fireworks when you're running out on the Gabba. There's smoke. There's all sorts happening. Very quick drying ground.
So what was that, Howie?
Very quick drying ground here at the Gabba.
Extremely quick. It wasn't the greatest drying ground about 10 years ago, but I think it was about 10 or 9 years ago they changed the drainage underneath, and now it is spectacular. Literally.
Shaheen Shah Afridi, full pitch. Doesn't find the gap, short, and they sneak through to get things underway in a night where we didn't think we'd see any cricket at all. A rare full toss from the opening bowler. Second ball. Work through the field. We'll see now the speed of the drying. A boundary off his first for Fraser McGurk. Full driven straight. That is a cricket shot and a half. Fraser McGurk, a couple of boundaries to get himself going.
Is that an outie?
Gives himself room, just clubs it straight down the ground. There is protection now. 2 out on the leg side, long on and square leg.
How did you just see there just before he's facing up?
Short, high! Fielder out there who just watched it sail over his head. It's gone so high. 6 for Matty Short. He picked it up, tossed it into the sky.
That's the one spot you probably don't want to bowl.
Which by all means is what you should not worried about getting dismissed.
Seam Shah now to Fraser boundaries. Smoked and out. Hit it straight to cover. He can't believe it. Fraser McGurk. Bubba takes the catch. And Pakistan get their first wicket.
But he's disappointed himself there, Jakey. Looking to give himself some room to hit over cover. But it's especially in this format, and here at the Gabba, a little bit of bat on it. Third.
Some vacant space. Faces Naseem.
Oh my goodness.
Reverses first ball, switches, call it what you want. Only Glenn Maxwell with a 4 off his first ball. You gentlemen do a better job. Short, ducks underneath it. Well bowled.
It's a very good delivery.
Yeah.
And that's sort of the mark where I thought he used to give himself some room.
Oh, look at that. Laps it, reverses it, whacks it, call it what you want, but it's 4.
The big show is here at the Gabba.
Maxwell smashed away over the offside. Save your legs, Glenn. Another boundary for Maxwell.
It's just what you can't do in this wicket here.
Due to weather, if you're just joining us. Well bowled. He just uses his wrist, Maxwell, scoops up underneath it, hits yet another boundary. Melbourne Stars teammate.
Yeah. Harris Ralphin, as soon as he...
Down the leg side. Why is it strange, Will?
I mean, he bowls 150 kilometres an hour.
Oh, I nearly had him again.
Well, see, I'm even happy to say you can bring mid on up and put square leg back, because if he gets a hold of it over mid on, it's...
Worked away towards leg, fielder gets underneath it, takes the catch. Bubba's got his second snare. Harris Ralph's hot form continues and Australia lose their second.
Usually mix power with a little bit of fin, some part of the ground.
First, on the lap start. Takes on the field, he's not catching that. Low, flat, hard 6. Look out the crowd, Maxie's away.
As I said before, it's just a normal shot for
Fox Cricket. Full to David in his arc, but just...
In my head I'm thinking, if you bowl the slow wide and if you bowl the fast balls.
Thick outside edge, fine enough. Third man races around, won't get it.
Swing your bat hard enough and you can get some rewards just like that.
At the moment, 28 from 12. Oh, that's enormous from Maxwell, away over mid-wicket. It'll sail over the fielder's head.
Get or straight, wherever it's going to be in the third time, so...
Punch straight down the ground with power. That is out of the middle. Another 6 for Maxwell. Moves to 40 off 15.
We shouldn't be giving this information. Good job.
Ducks his head out of the way, hits it straight to the fielder, and Maxwell's entertaining knock comes to an end. Abbas gets the wicket. The big wicket of Glenn Maxwell for an entertaining 43.
That was a well...
Oh, that's big. Oh, that is enormous from Tim Dave. We talked about the long levers. That's in the second tier at the Gabba. A first 6 for David. Play. Slower. Deceived him. A lot of work to be done in the outfield. They're racing towards each other. And the catch is taken. Far hand was Sana Irfan. Watch out, big fella, it's mine. And a good catch. Last over, Naseem to Stoinis. Overpitched. Calls two. A lot of work to be done on Misfield. Disappointing effort. Timed by Stoinis, but there's two men out. Into the gap. Oh, brilliant effort. Irfan got to it from 30 metres away. Got to... Over pitch to Stoinis. Only going to be one result. On the roof and bouncing away. Short, slow one. No third man. Little cameo from Stoinis to finish things off was fantastic. Boundary to finish it. Pakistani openers come out in the middle. And they've got 7 overs to chase down 94 for a victory to continue along their fine white ball tour of Australia. Rizwan will be opening up alongside Farhan. 7 overs. Smashed and boundary straight away. Flowed into the stroke through the covers. Positive start for the tourists.
Doesn't it a
Timed away. Over mid-wicket. Positive start for Farhan. Long chase.
Oh, that's a ball.
So they're the ones when you're bowling.
Off the stickers. Should be out. Farhan departs. Bartlett takes the catch. Spencer Johnson gets his first for the evening.
For the short ball again. Is it beautifully... Absolutely. I think he's one of the...
To Bubba. He of the beautiful cover drive this time. Hits down on it through mid-wicket. Look at the ball speed just racing away. Bartlett's going to have to go.
Good.
So first over from Johnson side.
At the moment.
Straight up in the air. It's going to be a tough one to catch. Running around is Fraser McGurk. Does the job. Bartlett. One ball, one pole. Rizwan departs. Pakistan have got issues.
That's courageous there.
High up in the air. Third man will stand underneath it for a long time. Take the catch. Matty Short down there. Pakistan are losing too many wickets in this short chase. Bartlett comes in, gets 2 in his first.
Unfortunately, Pakistan have lost 3 wickets.
Bubba, a lot of work to be done. Ellis whacks him away over mid-wicket. Catch taken. Fraser McGurk's got another one. Ellis comes back into the side, gets a wicket with his first ball.
Crease.
Irfan just whips it straight up in the air. Another opportunity for a catch. Another one taken. Australia good in the field. A third catch for Jake Fraser McGurk. Ellis has got 2 in his first over. Bartlett again. Scooped round the corner. Should be the catch taken. English work to do. Never going to miss it. 6th wicket falls. Bartlett. He gets another wicket. Pakistan, the way they're going, they can get bowled.
Their fingers.
Probably bowl a slow ball.
Actually, are bowling slow ball. That's a stock ball.
Sliced away over the infield. Over the outfield as well. Well struck. Man on the rope. Goes back, goes back, goes back. I don't know if it's the whoop. Hasbulla picks it up on the leg side. Should be another catch. Should be another wicket. That's short. He's the man underneath it. Hasbulla's entertaining innings comes to an end and Pakistan.
Rizwan and his team there. 2020, but there's 2 more.
One.
Nicely launched by Shaheen Shah. Zampa goes wicket to finish